96 degrees in the shade. Real hot.
Welcome to the Blue Mountains.
Welcome everyone to the home of the Blue Mountain Music Festival, Holywell Recreational Park, right in the middle of Blue Mountains.
Just some little thing in here.
Yeah,
I like a big
thing,
but just a little thing if somebody wants to step forward and just a little.
The Blue Mountain Music Festival, the concept of it is music meets art meets nature.
This your music, reggae music. It's got a spell on me.
We have on the lineup acts like Third World. Of course, T.O.K. Chronixx.
Smile for me, Jamaica.
We have Bugle. We have Kabaka Pyramid. We have Tanya Stephens.
These streets don't love you like I do. You need to know that.
A slew of, very, very talented, mad artists. We put it over 2 days. So the festival is February 22nd to 23rd. We're in Holywell. This is the home of Blue Mountain Music Festival.
We did tents all along.
We have kids activities. We have things like, storytelling, poetry. We have amusement. And one of the other things that we have in the package for the Blue Mountain Music Festival will be camping. As you can see, there's a tent here, and friends have camped out. Instead of trying to get to a hotel or trying to come back off the hill, if you'd like, come up with a tent and you camp out. We have camping zones, we have shower, we have facilities to make sure that you're most comfortable. So you can get a tent, come in whether in a group or family, and camp out, part of the whole Blue Mountain Music Festival experience.
This is what we wake up to. I mean, just look at this. The moment we arrived here last night, it's like I could have just feel the weight and the stress of the city and the hustle and bustle just shed. I mean, love them things that if you look over there, so you can see the campers just pulling up tent. So that would be our main camping area over there, so, and the food and beverage. And you have a little kiddies corner there with the jungle gym and stuff, and it's just beautiful. The trees up here is just so rich in culture and heritage. The view is awesome. Look at that. That is Kingston. You can see all of Kingston. You can see the sea there. You can see the mountains, the valleys, the way the sun hit it, everything. I mean, for me, that's one of the most beautiful things you can see. Blue Mountain Music Festival, why wouldn't you want to be here? Look at the backdrop for the stage. Find that somewhere else. I dare you.
And I said, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica.
The thing about the hills, it has a natural vibe. It has a vibration. It's very inspiring to any form of art, whether they're doing music, whether they're doing craft. Up here is a lot more free in terms of the spirit of the vibe and of the place. So that's why we chose to do it up here instead of other places, I mean, the hills and the mountains brings out a certain vibe, a certain energy.
We normally line that off with T.O.K.
We just want to thank, Jamaica Conservation and Development Trust, JCDT. They're the managers of this beautiful park, and this is a partnership with my label, Bombrush Records, and JCDT.
Sometimes you have to stay here with some of the family or friends.
It's evolving from the Misty Bliss concert that they used to have up here every year in February, and now we've turned it into a 2-day festival. Amped up the artist side of it, the experience, and call it the Blue Mountain Music Festival. Why would you not want to be here? Looking out for you guys.